Let's talk about pro-built leads. Leads are companies or individuals that may potentially become customers. Leads are distinguished from prospects in that leads have not been investigated or have been minimally investigated for potential. You can work with lead records in the same manner that you work with prospects, meaning events can be scheduled for leads and scheduled events can be performed at their appointed date and time. Leads can be qualified. A qualified lead is one that has been investigated, and enough information has been gathered that indicates that the company or individual is, in fact, a good candidate to become a customer. To create a lead record, click on this plus sign, then click Lead. When the form opens, notice that it is divided into 5 tabs: Details, Custom, Potential, Events, and Files. The Details tab contains location and contact information. The Custom tab contains fields that were created by your company system administrator and are designed to collect information that is specific and relevant to your company. The Potential tab collects information about how and what you intend to sell to this lead, including whether the sale would be a one-time sale or whether there would be repeat sales, whether the lead would be a wholesale or a retail customer, and if you plan to offer a percentage discount from your standard pricing. The grid lists out which products and services that you think may be potentially sold to this lead. Use your arrow keys to move up and down the list. Press Enter to edit an existing item, or tab to this button and press Enter to add a new line item. Now let's look at the Events tab. Simply stated, an event is something that happens. It could be some type of interaction with the lead, or it could be something that was done solely by your company. This list, then, is a record of all the things involving this lead that have happened or are scheduled to happen. Let's look at scheduling events to occur at some point in the future. Click here to get started. First, enter contact information. Then select an event code. These codes are created by your system administrator and designed to help categorize sales activities. Then enter the scheduled event date and time, and any notes you would like to add. Save the record and it will display in the events list. Double-click to edit the event, or right-click to perform the event. Enter the actual date and times for the event, and set the event status. Events marked as completed cannot be edited again. Save the record and the events list will update. Now we'll look at recording events. This is done to document an event that is currently happening or has already happened. First, select an event code from the list. Then enter date and time information, and any notes you would like to add. Set the event status here, and if necessary, update the lead status here. Now select the Files tab. Click here to import a file, then select the file to import, and save. Click any of the files shown to view, download, and print. Now press Ctrl-Z to open the pull-down menu. Select Change Status to update the lead status to indicate progress towards achieving your sales objectives. Selecting Create Proposal will convert the lead to a prospect and open the proposal input form. Once a lead has been converted to a prospect, there is no longer a lead record. Select Claim this lead to assign yourself as the salesperson on the lead record. Select Assign Salesperson to assign someone else as the salesperson on the lead record. Select Convert to Prospect to change the lead to a prospect without creating a proposal. Select Convert to Customer to change the lead to a customer without creating a proposal or sale order. Once a lead has been converted to a customer, there is no longer a lead record. Select Cancel Lead to permanently mark the lead as inactive. That's a wrap. Thanks for watching.